Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the SteamVR error code 450 in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, there are several possible solutions for this, and we're going to show you each one of these one after another. So step number one, what you want to do is navigate to your Steam library inside the Steam app and look for the VR feature or SteamVR tools in your library by entering it here in the search bar. Select SteamVR, and after that right click into it and select its properties. And here what you want to do guys is navigate to the betas to the left and expand the beta participation drop down menu here and select beta SteamVR beta update, and that is going to switch, as you can see, the VR version to beta. So that's option number one. If this hasn't fixed the issue guys, let me just close that window. You may try the following and check your network's status on your device. To do that, head over to your desktop computer's settings, for example Windows 10 or Windows 11, navigate to your internet settings, and what you want to do is select your current connection and make sure that you switch from the public to the private profile here. And if that hasn't fixed the issue, try to switch back from private to public and check if it did fix the issue. And option number three guys would be to simply disable any VPN services or tools you're currently using on your device, so that you may fix this issue by, for example, turning them off temporarily or permanently whenever you launch Steam or see that error code 450 guys. So that's the three options you may try here to fix this issue. Please let us know in the comments down below if any of these did fix the issue for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.